Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in YouTube Studio, open the video and go straight to copyright claims. You'll see the exact track, duration, and whether it's a claim or block. Once identified, choose your first fix. Trim out the infringing segment, replace with a royalty-free track, swap to an audio library song, or mute only the claimed portion. Make that choice now because it determines the tools you'll use next. Note timestamps so edits are precise and avoid re-uploads. Next, you execute the change. Open the YouTube editor to trim the clip around the offending audio, or click Replace Song to pick a track from the audio library or upload your licensed file. Once loaded, align the new audio to the timeline and listen through the claimed timestamps. The waveform view helps pinpoint bleed or overlap. Save a draft and preview at full resolution to confirm sync and levels. If the claim covers only voice, consider muting just that segment instead. Finish by saving edits and letting YouTube reprocess the video. The claim system updates after reprocessing, so check the Copyright Claims tab. If a claim remains, don't panic. Collect licenses, receipts, or written permissions and submit a counter notice or dispute with clear evidence. Make sure to keep original project files and exact timestamps for reference. One quick troubleshooting tip: if automated claims incorrectly persist, re-uploading a slightly altered audio mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.